Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools that you can use for everyday tasks and projects. AI tools can help you save time, boost creativity, and improve quality. Here are my top 5 picks for the best AI tools for everyday use. The first AI tool that I recommend is Bing Chat, a chatbot that uses the same technology as ChatGPT, the popular chatbot from OpenAI. Bing Chat is powered by Microsoft's Bing search engine, which means it can access the web and provide links to its sources. You can use Bing Chat to chat, code, generate text and images, and even create poems or jokes. You can also change its tone to be more creative, more precise, or balanced. Bing Chat is free to use and you can access it from your browser or your phone's keyboard. The second AI tool that I recommend is Grammarly, a writing assistant that helps you improve your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style. Grammarly can also help you with tone, clarity, engagement, and delivery. You can use Grammarly to check and edit your emails, essays, reports, social media posts, and more. You can also use Grammarly to generate headlines, summaries, and introductions. Grammarly is available as a browser extension, a desktop app, a mobile app, and a web editor. The third AI tool that I recommend is NeuroLove, an image generator that uses deep learning to create realistic and artistic images. You can use NeuroLove to generate portraits, landscapes, animals, logos, icons, and more. You can also use NeuroLove to edit your photos with filters, effects, stickers, and text. You can also use NeuroLove to turn your photos into paintings or sketches. NeuroLove is free to use and you can access it from your browser. The fourth AI tool that I recommend is Otter, a transcription service that uses speech recognition to convert audio and video into text. You can use Otter to transcribe your meetings, interviews, lectures, podcasts, videos, and more. You can also use Otter to record live conversations with your phone or computer. Otter can also help you edit your transcripts with highlights, comments, images, and keywords. Otter is available as a web app, a mobile app, and a browser extension. The fifth and final AI tool that I recommend is Zapier, an automation platform that connects different apps and services together. You can use Zapier to automate your workflows and tasks without coding or hiring developers. For example, you can use Zapier to automatically send an email when you receive a new form submission, or to automatically create a task in your project management tool when you receive a new email. Zapier supports over 3,000 apps, such as Gmail, Slack, Trello, Dropbox, Google Sheets, and more. Zapier is available as a web app, and you can sign up for free. So these are the top 5 AI tools you can use daily. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.